Hi, I'm Sebastian.
Hi, I'm Ville, and we're from Beamex.
In these videos, we will be concentrating on CENTRiCAL, which is our calibration workstation.
If you have not yet seen the CENTRiCAL overview video, please click on the link in the description.
Stay tuned.
So here we have our iMod system. We've got the control unit that comes along with the 7-inch touchscreen, and then attached to this control unit we've got a maximum of 5 different modules. In this case we have our multimeter module in the first slot. In the second and third slot we got our DC outputs, and these specific ones are 0 to 84 volts, but we also do provide a 0 to 40 volt module. Then in our fourth slot we have our frequency generator that comes along with a counter, and in the last spot on the fifth we have our AC output, which goes from 0 to 270 volts. And of course all of these modules come along with a factory calibration certificate.